Got the van packed up. That's all of our food for the week. Starting to rain again. It's been raining for like 2 days here. We've been on the road, I don't know, about an hour and a half, 2 hours. We are in Bowie, Texas. It has been pouring down rain the whole trip. Right now is the first time we've stopped and it's not raining crazy, but we've gone through some pretty dark patches of crazy rain. Got Noodles the dog. Noodles is pretty freaked out when Amanda leaves the car. I don't know what the travel gas stations are like where you guys live, but here in Texas, there's these whole sections that have like turquoise crosses and like cowboy hats with like silver figuring on them, rustic picture frames. There's like whole sections of rustic stuff. That's the best way to describe it. Well. We are in Amarillo. We've stopped off at a Starbucks to get some real coffee. So when we started off, I had half a tank of gas and I filled it up in Grand Prairie. And then we drove all the way to Amarillo and I was down to about a quarter of a tank or maybe less. And I just filled up. And I think that's gonna take us all the way to Colorado Springs, most likely. So we're in Colorado Springs for the night, and when we wake up tomorrow, it's supposed to be some winter weather. And we have to drive kind of across the mountains to Twin Lakes, and I think we're gonna have to drive in the snow. I've asked a few people already that live here, like they're like it's not that big of a deal. So anyway, but we do have some. We're stuck in a blizzard, guys. I'm just kidding. We're not stuck in a blizzard. Good morning from Colorado Springs, guys. We are gonna make the journey to Twin Lakes after a little while. It's normally a 2-hour drive, about 100 miles, and I think it's probably gonna take a little longer and slower with the snow, but I'm excited because I'm from Texas and there's snow here. It's so cool. Here's where we stayed the night at. There's this little layer of snow starting to accumulate on the ground.
There's bird snake packing up.
Packing up, guys. Alright, the guy, when I checked out at the motel, was like, dude, you're not gonna need to buy chains. It's fine out there. You can see some snow on my windshield still.
We are at 9,100 feet and there is snow all over these mountains. It is so foreign to me to see.
It looks like the front end of some of the car up there is torn off, kind of. They're kind of hanging off the edge. I can't get video of it. It's too white out here. I can see some either ambulance or police lights. They're about, I don't know, a quarter mile up ahead of me. Here comes the Department of Transportation guy. Up here on this hill is this really beautiful little cabin. I mean, this really beautiful broken down cabin. I find things like that very beautiful. So I'm about 16 miles outside of Buena Vista. That's Buena Vista for you Texans. And we've been here for, I don't know, 20, 25 minutes. We've gained maybe an inch of snow. I'll be in a caravan of people going really slow to get out of here, so I feel pretty safe. All right, I can't show you, but the firemen are using the jaws of life to open the door to get these people out that are stuck in this car.
They're trying to pry this door open. There's somebody stuck in there. Oh my gosh. I think they're gonna get them out. Oh my gosh. They got the door off. They just threw it aside. I'm gonna be on the side of the road and all this traffic in front of all these people. That didn't go so well.
Did you pee on yourself?
Peed on my scarf.
Thanks, Colorado Department of Transportation. We've been here about an hour and 20, maybe an hour and a half. I didn't really time it. And it looks like they're about wrapped up. They're putting the cars on the wreckers right now, on the tow trucks. Drinking a Red Thunder, Aldi Red Bull. Tastes just like a Diet Red Bull. It's awesome. Been eating beef jerky for lunch. I've had like 3 pieces. It's so good. I don't know if they have Love's travel stops where you're at, but if they do, they call it real beef jerky. But if you look around the back, it's made by Robertson's. It's the stuff. It's the stuff. It's real beef jerky.
All the other beef jerky is baloney.
It's not that processed crap. Okay, they got the wreck completely cleared away. And then this girl at the front of our line, her battery is not working or something. She's gotta get a jump.
So Bird Snake and another random guy are gonna push that car off the road so that the rest of us can get by. That's how it is out here. You gotta help everybody, because if you don't...
Here's my phone. It's kinda wet.
There it is. All right. Bird Snake, hero of the day. Thank you for helping that girl out.
Oh my gosh. Running at altitude.
Well, uphill too. Wow. There's just miles and miles of traffic because of that holdup. And in each lane was a stalled car on top of the accident that happened. We're just bravely making our way. We have made it into town. Bird Snake's gonna go get us some wine for our anniversary tonight. He went inside here. Beautiful Buena Vista. Isn't that pretty?
Alright guys, we made it to Mount Albert Lodge. We're at Beaver Lodge. So my favorite thing about Beaver Lodge is you walk right down here. Hopefully there's no animals for Noodles to chase. And bam.